Hello, it's me again, Elaine from Codes and Quacks. In this video, I will show you how to close off bow some and add cheeks. If you're just starting out with one of my Crochet It Yourself kits, check out my previous videos on the basics to help get you started. Okay, let's get ready to close off bow. So at this point, you should have the eyes in, added the stuffing, fastened off, and cut off about a tail of 10 to 12 inches long, and I have my yarn already threaded through my needle. Okay, what we want to do is close off bow in a way that we will get this kind of pleated look. So let's grab our needle, and what you do is insert your needle into the first stitch, and we're going to skip 2 stitches and just pull a thread. You're going to insert your needle into the next stitch, and you're going to skip 2 and come out. Insert your needle into the next stitch, and you're going to skip 2 and come out. You're just going to repeat this all the way around. Just go in the next stitch, skip 2 and come out until we get to the end. Now once you get to the end, you're just going to pull real tight, and you'll see how he starts to close up, and he's making that pleated look. Okay, so this next part is a little bit tricky. You need to kind of hold down so that you can just kind of weave off the ends without having bow open up again. So just kind of find a spot, weave it in, and pull. Now I would weave it a couple times just to make sure it's secure. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And then again, just insert your needle and just pull the end out somewhere else and cut off the end. There you go. So now we just add some cheeks to bow. So grab your pink yarn, and what we're gonna do is insert your needle somewhere away from the cheek area. So, and then, but come out just underneath here. Okay. So we're going to insert 1 stitch over and come back out by the eye there. Okay, do that again. And on the last time, you just go back in again, and we're going to bring it back out where we came in from, back down here. So let's kind of cut this off. I'm going to tie a knot. Okay. And we're going to cut off as much ends as we can. take the back of your needle and we're going to push that knot inside. There you go. That's one cheek down. I will do the second one. It's the same thing. You're just going to thread it through away from the cheek area. Come out by the eye. One stitch over. Do that again. And then for the last one, you go back in and come back out where you came in. Cut your ends. Tie your knot. Cut the ends again. And push the little knot inside. There you go. You have now completed bow. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!